what is 4 3/5 as a percent and a decimal. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this. I have 4 3/5. And to go from a fraction to a percent, I have more than one option, but for me it's going to be easier to turn that decimal or that denominator into 100 for 100%, and 5 times 20 is going to get me that 100. So 3 times 20 is 60. So this is as a fraction 4 60/100, which would be then 460%. Then all I have to do is rewrite that as a decimal. To turn that into a decimal, I just move that decimal point 2 spaces, and that's going to get me 4.60 as a decimal. I could also do these different ways. I could always choose to divide if I wanted to, and I could take the 3/5 and divide that out. 5 doesn't go into 3, but it would go into 30 6 times, and that would be exact. And then I would add my whole number back in to get 4.6. And then from there, I could turn my decimal into a percent by moving the decimal place 2 spots to the right.